Hey y'all, it's your girlie Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I have a different type of video for y'all. I appointed myself in charge of some of the games for Christmas this year, but I think this game would be honestly good for not even just Christmas. I saw somebody do this instead of piñatas at a birthday party. I think this would be really fun for like little kids. This is just a fun party game. So I've never done this game before, but I'm gonna call it like the Saran Wrap ball game.
This is your sign to play the Saran Wrap ball game at
I made it really hard.
I did see some comments of people saying like this is a waste of plastic. I'm not saying it's not, but somebody gonna play it, so I might as well join. I got a bunch of stuff. I don't think I spent over like $40 on stuff. If y'all want an in-depth like of what I put in there, let me know. I'll put that in the comments. But as of right now, we just got a bunch of random stuff. We got food, hand sanitizer, socks, body care, an ice mold. There's 2 kids playing this game, but I figure I had these little shots, so I got like 2 little shots. It's just literally a bunch of random stuff, y'all. Anything goes. I would say definitely don't break the bank for this unless you got it like that. Spend your money, boo. Like I said, I've never played, but let's get into it and start making a ball. Okay, so I've seen people saying that it's best to start with something circular in the middle. So I think I'm gonna start with this body scrub. I've also seen people put like money in here. Hey, I love my family, but this is a last minute game and I'm not the baller of the family, so. And I'm surprising them with this. I thought about asking everyone to see if anybody wanted to like pitch in, but I'm telling nobody about this game. And I'm just pulling up with it and they're gonna be like, what the hell? So, yeah. I did watch a lot of videos. Oh, I just cut myself on that. Let's take this out the box. Let's take this out the box. I don't even, dang, I done cut myself. Okay, so I did see that it is good to like break things up. So don't just continuously wrap with the one piece of wrap. So I'm gonna show you. So put it in there. This is a little screwdriver thing. I don't know. We got a lot of men, so I don't know. I was just throwing stuff in there. So then instead of just like keep wrapping it like this and then adding the next item, you wanna grip it so that, cause I've seen some videos where one person just took one thing and like the whole thing just like unraveled in one go round. So also you want to make sure you're going in different directions from what I saw. So I just finished going this way and now I'm going to start it going frontwards, going this way. This just makes it harder to unwrap. Also for this candy, I was going to put them in here whole, but just since there's less items, I think I'm going to take them out. I was going to wrap the whole package of candy, but I said, ain't nobody getting up in here. So I'm going to just place this just all throughout. I really got these because I know my daddy like Reese's. Okay, so let's do one of these with some candy. Oh, I gotta fix my Saran Wrap. I'm only working with half the wrap. This is why you don't buy your Saran Wrap from Dollar Tree. Or just be more careful. I'm not gonna lie, we gonna go on to we gonna be more careful with this one. We gonna be more careful. I only got 2, so I know I'm gonna have to go back to that one. Okay, so I just wrapped in one direction, especially since that was only half and it wasn't full. We didn't cover much surface. So now I'm gonna I don't know, I feel like just bunching it up like this and just, I don't know, hopefully this is making it harder. Let's take a face mask, candy. Let's put this in here. Let's rip it. Oh, that was a good rip. I should have got 2 of these. Oh, because I think since it's perforated, it's like little pieces in there already marked. See a little bit better. Oh, this is probably gonna be bad then, because it's gonna make it easier for them to rip. Fuck. Why is this one like this? I'm gonna just finish off what little plastic wrap we got at home too. Just because this one, I didn't realize, so one of these plastic wraps, it has like little indentations that make it easier for you to pull it apart, which doesn't really fucking help for this game. So yeah, we gonna make it do what it do. We gonna make it do what it do, baby. I'm trying to wrap, if y'all could see, multiple wraps. See, yeah, no, that's gonna make it way too easy. It's feeling easy for me. Or maybe it'll make it harder because it keep breaking. I think this is gonna be good. I was concerned that it wasn't gonna be enough stuff in here, but I think it's gonna be good. Let's see. Here we go, breaking. Why did I never see nobody struggle with this in the videos? I ain't see nobody struggling with the motherfucking Saran Wrap. I'm really trying to work on my cousin. I know it don't seem like it. Like, do you see what the fuck I'm working with? Y'all probably can't because it's clear. This is absolutely terrible. What? I saw nobody struggle like this. Like,
Mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body with this polite. Don't be in the humble side. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. I was in hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life.
the plastic wrap, I don't know if y'all could see, but this is like the end. This is the end, but it's not. I'm folding it and then I'm going over the part that was open. I really hope that makes sense. I think this is good. This is the first item. I think you can kind of tell it's the first item because it looks easy to get to, but this is everything, some banana chips. And I think this should be a fun game. This is the game. If y'all play this or if y'all have played this, let me know in the comments how you like it. If you played this for anything other than Christmas, let me know in the comments how everybody likes it, if it's still a fun game to play. I would imagine so. Also, let me know what is usually your budget when you do this game. Like I said, I don't think I spent over like $40, so let me know how much you usually spend. When do you start your shopping for this? How do you collect items? And yeah, I will see y'all in the next episode of Vlogmas.